I'm Gina. If you have been to any Chinese event or watched any traditional Chinese movie, you must be familiar with the Chinese knotting, 中国结.
Chinese knotting is a decorative handcraft art that began as a form of Chinese folk art in the Tang and Song dynasty in China.
And in this video, I will show you how to make a little 中国结. Let's go!
First, you need to prepare a cord with the color you like. Then, locate it the center and form the cord to what I like to call a 4-petal flower. Make sure all petals are the same size, or you can make the side ones a little longer than the top one. And then, fold the bottom one up to the left side loop. Keep this hole open because later we're going to tuck through it. Then, we fold the left petal up to the top one. You might need help to hold it because sometimes the cord is stiff and you don't want it to loose. Then, fold the top loop down over the right petal. Then you need to tuck the right petal to the original hole that you kept open. Then you can draw the knot together, tighten it up. And we just finished the middle part of the Chinese knot. The next step is to do the exact same thing. After it, you should find these little ears on the edges. You can pull them out, and those are the inside petals of the knot. The last step is tighten up the whole knot and make sure it won't loose easily. Put on a little tassel. And that's it. You just DIY a Chinese knot.
If you have nimble fingers, you may learn to make something like this.
Chinese knot also symbolize good luck.
And you can decorate everywhere you want. The indoor plant seems like a good idea. And I will see you next time. Bye!